But you want more simplification in development life, you have to think one or other build tool support. Maven, Gradle, these are the two popular build tools. They build the project, they build the applications, right? They build the project or they build the application. Okay. What do you mean by building? Keeping our code ready for execution is nothing but what? Build process. Development done, testing done, packing done, ready, even ready for release, ready for execution. That is nothing but build process of the project. What is that process, guys? Build process. Clear, my dear? Got the point, my dear? Come on. Okay. Yeah, that's good. iCloud 9 end task. iCloud 9 end task. Okay, let's revise the features of Maven, guys. Maven gives archetypes, nothing but project creation templates. There are 1,000+ archetypes, guys, but how many are popular out of that? Two. What are those? Quick Start Web App. We use Quick Start for what purpose? Standalone. Web App for what purpose? Archetypes. Okay, number two. Maven take care of dependency management. Okay, you just specify name of the main jar file, where in pom.xml, the place where we give inputs and instruction to Maven tool. For IOC container, Spring Bean configuration file. For Maven tool, inputs and instructions will be given in pom.xml. Okay, it will download that jar file from different repositories. Not only it will download that jar file, it also download relevant dependent jar files. What jar files, guys? Relevant dependent jar files. Clear, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay, what is number three, guys? What is number three? Number three is transitive dependency. If you add main jar file, it will only search a dependent, their dependent, downloads all the jar files, add to the build path, right? Okay, next. What is number four, guys? Decompiler support is there. Number six, it can pack the things, right? Okay, next one. What are the other facilities we are having? Uh, every jar, every plugin, every project in Maven is identified with three details. Group ID, company name, artifact ID. What is there? Project name. Okay. Lastly, what is there, guys? Artifact ID. Lastly, what is there? Version. Version means jar file, jar version, and all this stuff. Okay. I want to develop same project, first same project, then I will take another project also using the support of Maven. So first we develop normal project, then we try to develop the engine pro example is there na. I have given assignment. So that also by using Maven. Now onwards, no more direct projects in Eclipse. Everything with the support of what? Maven. Later Gradle. One fine day I will introduce IntelliJ IDE also. Right? Why are you not using IntelliJ IDE? IntelliJ IDE community edition is commercial one. 30 days trial period only you will get. After that, you have it will expire automatically. That's why we cannot purchase it now. That's why we use 30 days trial version one. Okay, to habituate with what? IntelliJ IDE. Eclipse is free, guys, no problem at all. So let's launch our Eclipse, boss. Let me open our document that speaks about this. File open class content. File open class content. Here, what is there? Spring here. What is there, guys? Spring. Followed by this, what is there, guys? Where is this? Followed by this, where is this? 1102. What, guys? 1102. Yes, my dear. 1102. Hmm. I think it's not 1102. 515, na? 512. Spring Core. Spring Core. Where is this? More on strategy design pattern implementation using Spring Core. Everything is documented. Every screenshot is given to you people. You just need to follow it blindly. How to solve ambiguity problem we discussed. Okay. Some basics about the Maven I have given. Procedure to develop strategy DP application by using what? Spring framework. In Eclipse IDE using what? Maven tool. Simply using what tool, guys? Maven tool. Okay. Shall we get into the discussions, my dear? Come on. Super boss. Here is what? This. Okay. In this place, what is there? 515. When Spring Boot will start? Spring Boot will start once Spring is over. Epic answer, right. We are in second, third applications of Spring. Another 7 to 8 applications we have to develop. Then we will be moving to what? Spring Boot. Yes, na boss? Right. Shall we start creating archetypes, boss? Create Maven project in Eclipse IDE by choosing Maven archetype quick start. What is there, guys? Maven archetype quick start. Maven archetype quick start as archetype. That's great. File menu new Maven project next. Search for what? Archetype. Then this is the story. Search for archetype, then this is the story, boss. All right, boss. Tell me here, what is there? New, where is this? Maven project. New Maven project. Tell me here, what is there? Maven hyphen, what is there? Archetype hyphen. What is there? Quick start. Maven hyphen, archetype hyphen, quick start. Say next. Okay. IOC pros 09. IOC pros 09. This is group ID. Or a group ID is generally organization name or organization website in reverse. nareshit.com, com.nareshit. Like this you can put it. What is artifact ID, guys? IOC pros 09. What is there, guys? Strategy DP. Okay, strategy DP using Spring. Strategy DP using Spring, guys. Okay, here I'll say using Spring, using Maven to tell that it's a Maven project. Yeah, what is the version? It is not finalized one, it is an ongoing one, right? Snapshot is the right one. What's the default package that you want to get? In any Spring project, client standalone application means main class, main method is compulsory. Remaining things may be there, may not be there, but this is compulsory na boss. Yes. Can I take com.nt.main? That's great or not, guys? Say finish. Say finish. Say finish. Here is my what, guys? Yes. This is my build success. Yeah. SRC main Java. It is to keep the source code na boss. SRC test Java. This is for testing code. Nowadays, resources is not coming in standalone. Earlier used to come, now not coming. Fine. These two are the standard folders. Here you observe default main package has come and default app.java is there. Deleted. I don't want anything. Okay. Followed by this test.java is there. App test.java is there. Come on. App test.java is there or not there? Okay, leave it. So can I start adding the packages over there, guys? Okay, a good programmer first creates all packages, then start utilizing the content of the packages. Right click, new package. What's the package, guys? com.nt.sbeans. That's great. Next, new package. com.nt.config. Hey, coding will not change. Because of Maven, coding will not change. Array, in normal project, SRC folder is in class path by default. Here, standard folders of Maven. What are SRC main Java, SRC test Java, SRC main resources, SRC test resources are there in class path by default. You need not to add them separately, right? The Maven standard folders will come into class path automatically. Will be added to class path what? Automatically. Yesterday discussed na boss. Okay. All the standard folders of Maven project will be placed into class path automatically by default. All the standard folders of class path will be placed into what, guys? Will be placed all the standard folders of Maven project. Maven archetype project will be placed into what, guys? Class path automatically. Will be placed into class path automatically. Super, guys. There is no need of placing them explicitly. There is no necessity of placing them what? Explicitly. I hope you got it, guys. Come on, everyone. Yes. Super. Yes, guys. com.nt.config, com.nt.main, com.nt.what? sbeans. com.nt.sbeans. Clear, guys? Got it? Yes. Super, guys. Right click. Okay. I need not to develop the components manually. Already there in previous project. Yes, up to this Maven role is over. Okay, before the developing the code, guys. Before developing the code, let's go to pom.xml here. Let's get into what? Pom.xml. Yes, in this pom.xml, each dependency indicates one jar file to add. Okay, by default, JUnit related jar files comes automatically, don't worry. Jupyter, JUnit, Param. These two are JUnit 5 version related jar file. They are coming automatically. How can I see that? Look at this folder. JUnit related main and dependent jars are coming automatically now, boss. JUnit related main and dependent jar files are coming automatically over here or not, guys? What do you say, guys? JUnit related main and dependent jar files are coming automatically over here. What do you say, guys? It's happening or not happening, boss? Okay, that's great. Okay, now tell me next one. So, but we want to add Spring related main jar file, Spring core module related. When you add main jar file, not only main, their dependent, all jars will come or not, guys? Okay, that's great. So now let's do what we can do here. Yeah, from where we can get this information? It is looking lot of XML tags. I don't know how to write XML tag. It looks like that, but actually not, nothing to worry. MVN repository, guys. Here is my word. Spring context support. What support, guys? Spring context support. Are you getting my point there? 6.2.3. What is there? 6.2.3. Okay. 6.2.3. Here is my what? Pom.xml. Say paste. Say what, guys? Paste. Okay, now you observe my dear. Spring related main and dependent jar files will be added or not, guys? Spring related main and dependent jar files will be added or not, guys? Okay, guys. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Come on. Spring core related AOP, context, beans, context support. All these jar files are added or not added, boss? All these jar files are definitely added, no doubt in that, right? Yes. See, we just added main jar file, but we are getting all relevant dependent jars or not? Okay, see, everything is given clearly, boss. Okay, a directory structure is explained, boss. After that, what there? By default, it is giving less Java version. Okay, you can change to your choice version, but luckily, in new versions of Maven, there is no need of you doing manually. The latest version is coming by default or not, guys? Latest version of Java is coming by default or not, guys? Okay, this step is optional to perform in latest version of Maven. This step is optional to perform in latest versions of Eclipse IDE. Tell me, this step is what is there? Optional to perform in latest versions of Eclipse IDE. In latest versions of Eclipse IDE. Interesting, my dear. Come on, everyone. Yes. Then we have added dependencies. How to collect the dependencies? We got the idea. Whatever latest version you take it, guys. Okay. Always use the latest version. Always use the latest version. Whatever the latest version at this. Yeah, Maven support transitive dependency. When you add main jar file, are you just getting main jar file and main and dependent jar files, guys? Popular Maven terminology. Maven archetype, project template. Maven artifact, jar name, plugin name, project name. Dependency, jar file or what? Library. Pom.xml, file to give inputs to Maven. File to give inputs to what? Maven. It's a place or file to give inputs to what? Maven. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. This is called. Then we have to think about creating packages. Already we created packages there, right? That's good. Okay, then what is the next one? Add Spring Beans to com.sd.sbean. So I'm in bench, need to study quickly. Please contact me. Please contact me WhatsApp back at this one. Balaji, if you are there in batch, it will go according to batch plan. If you are looking to attend multiple classes parallelly, okay? Okay. So talk to admin and try to attend one more batch parallelly, which is in advanced mode. For single person, classes will not be speed up, classes cannot be sold down, slow down. And let me clear, it is not one-to-one session. The day you attend one-to-one session, you can demand speed up, slow down, all this thing. Everything goes according to the plan. Balaji, I hope you understood. I don't conduct fast track classes. If you want my content in fast track mode, it's your job, it's your duty, it's your job to attend multiple classes per day. Okay, once you got Spring Boot basics knowledge, you can attend multiple topics per day. Till that time, you have to respect in the flow the classes are going on. Super. Balaji, I hope you understood. Right. Please do remember you are part of a batch in which other students are also there. Okay. Already held classes, sir. Already held classes. So what I can do? You are in a batch where a lot of people are learning for Spring and Spring Boot for the first time. My target audience is always what? Below average first time listener. Non-technical student, below average student. By keeping them in mind, I'll conduct the classes. You are looking for fast track, attend 2 classes parallelly. Don't disturb my flow. Yes, guys. Shall we start the progress, boss? Where is this? From src com.nt.sbeans. Shall we copy all this stuff? Copy this. Yes. Here we have to go for this one now, boss. Paste. Done. Yes. Okay. Here is my what? Config. See, coding is not changing. Any moment coding is not changing, boss. Here also paste. Here also you say what? Paste. Oh, that's the wrong thing is pasted, guys. Wrong thing is pasted. Yeah. Say paste. Arre, one second. Not copied properly, yeah, boss. Not copied properly, right? Super, guys. com.nt.sbeans. com.nt.config. Copy this, say paste. com.nt.autoconfig. Okay. Shall I copy paste here, guys? Done. Strategy DP application. This is my strategy DP application. Yeah. Is there any change in the coding because of Maven? No. Everything remains same. But what's the advantage part? Directory structure is advantage. Jars are main advantage. Are you downloading jars? No. In pom.xml, you are giving what? Main jar information. What is the main jar information, guys? Okay. Main jar related group ID, artifact ID, this one. This is jar file name, this is its version. So remaining everything will be taken automatically or not, guys? Remaining all things are coming automatically here or not, boss? Yes, boss. Tell me. This is my strategy DP test, guys. Okay, here. I'm keeping what? Everything over here. Strategy DB test.java. Right click, run as Java application. Output is coming now, boss. So coding is not changed. Only that project creation, project directory structure, only this part is changed. Right? I think we are running the wrong one. Huh? Okay. Let's run the right one. So strategy DP test. Okay. Strategy DP test. Which one? Yeah, this is the right one. Okay. Let's remove the comment. Let's remove the comment. Save it. Yes. Run as Java application. Same. Anything great over there, guys? Right. This is the first project where code is there. Yeah. Using field injection. So our first dependent class constructor printed target class, but we are using field injection so that constructor injection should print. 1 minute. How can you say it's a first dependent? Okay. What is the code we have written? Check it out. What is the code we got over there? Yes, beans. Flipkart.java. What is the injection? Field injection. Right. What is the engine one you discussed? DTDC. Okay. First DTDC, then Flipkart na. Observation is very important, boss. You by seeing blue dot first dependent created, right? Ah. Tell me guys, what is there? Strategy DP. What is there? Strategy DP. Strategy DP at the rate qualifier courier. What is the one we have taken? This one we have taken, boss. No, you listen. Sir, you said only in constructor injection first dependent, then target all this stuff. But here all dependents are coming first kind of thing. No, you are thinking in a wrong mode. Singleton scope beans are pre-instantiated, na boss. Singleton scope beans are pre-instantiated. All are singleton because I have not mentioned any scope, my dear. Come on. Then what happened? Generally, they will be instantiated what? Generally, they will be instantiated. They, in the order they are kept in the package. So that's the reason we are feeling what? First dependent, then target. That is not the story. Here, not in the order. It is going by pre-instantiation of singleton scope spring beans. All the singleton scope spring beans are what? Instantiated, right? So here not target, not dependent. In which order all beans are there, all are singleton. They are participating in what? Pre-instantiation. What is that? Early instantiation. Convinced, my dear? Come on. Okay, that's why don't go for first target, then dependent kind of thing. Okay, guys. Yes. Though it is second application, here also wanted like kept what? Flow of execution, guys. Here also I have kept a flow of execution. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super. Okay. Let's see the flow of execution very fastly, guys. Yes. Here is what? A. A. Run the application. That is A na boss. Fine. B. We are calling the main method. Perfect. C. IOC container creation. Say something, my dear. C is what? IOC container creation. D. It is taking the given configuration class, my dear. Come on, everyone. It is taken the given configuration class. What do you say, guys? Come on. Super. Okay. Yes. Go to configuration class. Where is this? Here. E. Loads this configuration class. Creates the object as what? Spring bean. Loads this configuration class, creates the object as spring bean or not, guys? Say something, my dear. Super, guys. Tell me. It is going to this package, scanning and collecting the package or not, guys? It is going to this package, scanning and collecting the package or not, my dear? So definitely it is scanning and collecting the package name. F guys, it is going to that package, directory structure package, that is a G. So scanning that package and sub packages and looks for classes that are having what? At the rate component annotation or not, guys? Are you understanding? That is G. Okay, then searches for are there any at the rate pin method in configuration class? What class, guys? At the rate pin methods in what? Configuration class. That is what? H. That is H. Next one, what, guys? I. IOC container performs eager instantiation of singleton scope spring beans. Eager instantiation of what? Singleton scope spring beans. If no scope is given, the default scope is what? Singleton. No at the rate bean method. Okay, total how many beans it found? Let us assume one target class, three dependent classes, right? Total four beans are there. No scope is there. What's the default scope, guys? Singleton scope. What's the default scope, guys? Singleton scope. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Tell me next one. At the rate component scan annotation activates the code related to at the rate auto void. Activates the code related to at the rate auto void annotation. And that code searches for what? At the rate auto void location in Spring Beans and finds in what? Flipkart class. At the rate component internally activates the code of what? At the rate auto void. That code searches where is at the rate auto void in Spring Bean. Where is at the rate auto void in Spring Beans? Are you getting my point, guys? Yes. It is there in what? It is there in what? I want reply, my dear. It is therein. I want reply, my dear. Come on. Okay, guys. It is therein only in Flipkart class. Okay. And now tell me now. JK. It will go to Flipkart class now, my dear. It will go to Flipkart class. JK. Where is K, my dear? K. The code of at the rate auto void collects the type of has a property. Type means courier. And name of the property courier. Interface type means interface name courier C capital. What is the name? Courier C small letter. That's a variable name. Okay, that is K. Next one is what? L. Next one is what, guys? L. IOC container searches for dependent spring bean of type what? Courier interface. Dependent spring bean of type what, guys? Courier interface. But it finds what? Two spring bean class objects. One is blue dot, other one is what? DTDC. One is blue dot, other one is what? DTDC. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. One is blue dot, other one is what? DTDC. But collects, select one dependent spring bean, that is blue dot, based on what? Qualifier annotation. What annotation, boss? Simply based on what annotation? Qualifier annotation. Simply literally based on what annotation, guys? Qualifier annotation. Is that clear, guys? IOC container searches for dependent spring bean of type what? Courier interface, but it finds two dependent spring bean class object. One is blue dot, other one is what? DTDC. But selects what? One dependent, that is blue dot, based on qualifier annotation bean ID. Check it out, guys. In the K, on the top of the K, what is there, guys? Blue dot is there. That's why it will pick up the blue dot one or not, guys. Okay. The chosen The chosen dependent spring bean blue dot class object will be injected to the target Spring Bean class object. Are you getting my point? Will be injected to the target Spring Bean class object. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. So now, right now, injection is happening or not, guys? So can I say this one as a field injection? Since at the rate auto void is there on the top of the field. Since at the rate auto void is there on the top of the field. So it is called what injection, guys? So it is called field injection. So it is called field injection. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Come on. IOC container keeps Spring Bean class objects in the internal cache of what? IOC container. Simply in the internal cache of the IOC container for reusability. Simply for what, guys? Reusability. Simply, literally for what purpose, guys? Reusability. Convinced with me, guys? Come on, everyone. IOC container keeps the Spring Bean class objects in the internal cache of IOC container simply for what purpose? Reusability purpose. Simply, literally for what purpose, guys? Okay, this is nothing but internal cache of the IOC container. Okay, bean ID, it's a reference. Another bean ID, it's a reference. Bean ID, it's a reference. Bean ID, it's a reference. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. In the internal cache of IOC container, bean class objects are created. Right. Okay, boss. That is N. Where is next one? O. Okay. So in this, after keeping every objects in what? Internal cache, I can say it is ready, boss. IOC container is ready. That is O over here. Can I say IOC container is very much ready here? That's great. Next, CTX dot get bean FPKT. Bean ID is passed and we submitted bean ID. We get bean object reference or not, guys? Spring Bean class object reference, that is R. Next, fpkt dot shopping. What is that? Fpkt dot what? Shopping. That is yes. Okay, boss. Business. This business method executed or not, guys? There. What is there? You courier dot deliver order ID. Are right now which courier is chosen? Blue dot courier is chosen. So the method in blue dot will execute or not? V, that is giving me message W. That message comes to a target business method, target class business method call, that is X. This is finally returning its output or not? Y. And that output comes to what? Main method Z. We are displaying the output what? A1, and we are closing the container. That is what? B1. So ABCDs are over. Now I am taking A1, B1. So when you close the container, all objects will be vanished, including our Spring Bean class object. And lastly, what is there? What? C1. That's the end of the application or not, guys? That is C1, end of the application. What do you say, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. What is there? A, run the application. B, entering into main method. C, IOC container creation. D, configuration class is loaded, object is created. Configuration class is loaded, object is created. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, boss. Yes, boss. Here is what? Configuration class is loaded, object is created. Okay, that's great. Tell me next one. Collects the package name. Go to that package. What is there? Go to that package. Searches for the classes that are having at the rate component annotation. Finds 3 to 4 classes that are having at the rate component. Next H, it searches for are there any at the rate bean method in configuration class? Not there. Okay. Then it will search for are there any singleton scope spring bean? No scope is specified for spring bean. Default scope is what? Singleton. Right. So all the pins, whatever there, they are what? Singleton or not, guys? Super, guys. Next one. Pre-instantiation of singleton scope spring beans takes place or not, guys? Okay. All the spring bean class objects are created here or not, guys? Okay. This is a configuration class object. This is target to dependent. Okay. Next one. J. The code of at the rate component scan annotation, the code of at the rate component scan annotation scans and gets what? Scans and gets what? Ah, at the rate auto void. Where exactly at the rate auto void? It found at the rate auto void annotation in target spring bean class or not, guys? In target spring bean class or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Flipkart class. So that is J. K. It goes to that property type. It goes to that property type. Where is that, guys? It goes to that property type and name. It goes to that property type and name. The code of at the rate auto void collects the type of has a property that is what? Courier interface. Name of the property is what? Courier. Type of the property is courier. Name of the property is what? Courier. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Followed by that, what is there, guys? Followed by that, what is there, guys? Tell me. Name of the property is this. A type of the property is this. Yes, boss. Tell me. It will find two beans of courier type. But because of at the rate qualifier, it will try to use what, guys? Because of at the rate qualifier, it will try to use blue dot one or not, guys. So then the chosen dependent spring bean class object, nothing but blue dot class object, will be injected to target Flipkart class object or not, guys. Super. Then for reusability purpose, all singleton scope spring bean class objects will be kept in what? Internal cache of the IOC container or not, guys? Internal cache of the IOC container or not, guys? Say something, my dear. I want reply, my dear. Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Internal cache of the IOC container. Okay, boss. Okay. That is what, guys? N. After that, what is there? That is N. Okay. All these are happening in the line where container is created. That is O. This is what? O. Tell me, what is there? CTX dot get bin FPKT. CTX dot get bin FPKT. So we are simply passing to internal cache of IOC container, that is Q. So we passed bean ID, we got the object reference. We passed bean ID, we got the object reference. Super, guys. Then next, what is there? R. So we are getting access to this or not, guys? Super. Okay. PR. Then what is there? Shopping method is called here. Shopping method is called here or not, guys? That is yes. Not yes. Tell me next one. Okay. Shopping method is executed. The definition of shopping method executes, that is what? T. Okay. And then what is there? Courier dot deliver. So dependent class business method is executed. That is V. From there output came. That is W. Next, we are getting the result. And final message is also coming over there. And that final message is kept in the local variable of the main method. We are displaying the result over there or not there. So we are closing the container. Okay, guys. We are closing the container. Okay, boss. Tell me. Super, guys. And C1, end of the application. C1 is nothing but what, guys? End of the application. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity, my dear? Super, guys. So this is what we need to focus. What is ambiguity problem? How to solve it? Already we discussed, and the best is qualifier one. Okay. Since we have some time, shall we design assignment application? What application? From the scratch level with the support of Maven. See, is it compulsory to have at the rate bean method in every project? No. We work with at the rate bean method only when you want to make what? Predefined classes as Spring Bean. As long as you have user defined classes, you can manage the story by using what, guys? At the rate auto void. You can happily manage the story by using at the rate at the rate component. For injection purpose, at the rate auto. Now, now let us develop. What is the one? Now let us develop one application. Let us develop one application of what kind, guys? One application of what kind? So let us develop the application of what kind, this kind, guys. Where is this? Vehicle engine example is there? Yeah, let us develop that application in front of you people. Yes. Important announcement. Mm, No, I'm thinking online students. No, I'm worried about time zone people. Are you comfortable if I take tomorrow's class at 11 o'clock? Not you, online. Online students, especially the foreign students, Mexico and other country, only tomorrow session because I have work in the evening hours. Already we lost one evening in this week. So I don't want to lose one more session. No came from Jian Jung. Okay. 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 Yeah. So I'll try to arrange a recording of the class if anyone missed the class of 11 a.m. Is it okay? Rohit, 11 o'clock, which lecture you have, boss? Advanced Java? Advanced Java? Fine. Last time recording not found. Last time did I promise recording? No, not promised. This time I am promising. No, 10 a.m. not possible, guys. 10 a.m. I have other session to conduct. Okay. Chikki Reddy. Nice name. Jung Wang. Oh, last time I don't know whether I promised or not, but this time I will make sure that you will get a recording. If you miss the class, I'll make sure that you will get a recording. Right. Okay. Please arrange recording for us. For everyone, I will arrange. Recording, I will keep. Rajeshwari is not responding for recording. Please provide recorded lecture. Record lecture will be given for tomorrow session. Those who miss the classes, right? Okay. I'll inform now only. Anyone can call admin, but it does not mean everyone should bunk the class. No, still class is there. It is only for online student who misses the class, not for offline students. Offline student, you have to attend session. ఒక్కళ్ళిద్దరు కుదరదంటున్నారు, వాళ్ళకి రికార్డింగ్ ఇవ్వగలవా? చెప్పు మరి, మర్చిపోకు. నేను నాకు గుర్తున్నా లేకపోతే నువ్వు రికార్డింగ్ లాస్ట్ టైం కూడా ఇవ్వలేదంట, కంప్లైంట్ చేస్తా. ఓకే, రైట్. ఎస్. Yeah, recording session you will post. Yeah, post the class. Mostly by Sunday or Monday you will get recording session. I'll keep in the Google Drive. Don't expect immediately it should come. Sunday or Monday it will be ready. Once it is ready, either admin or me, I will be placing in the Google Drive. If I place, it will be in the Google Drive or admin share with you. Yeah, it's confirmed. Tomorrow session timing is what time? 11 o'clock. It's pakka confirmed, right? Okay. So now let's see. We have another application to develop. What is there? The engine vehicle, which I have given as a assignment. What is the project I'm using? Maven project. What is the archetype I have to choose, guys? Maven hyphen, archetype hyphen, quick start. Maven hyphen, archetype hyphen, quick start. Okay, tell me. IOC pros 10. What is there? IOC pros 10. Followed by that, what is there, guys? IOC pros 10. Strategy DP. Spring. Another example. What example, guys? Another example. Com dot nt dot main. Save finish. Com dot nt dot main. Save finish. You have to say yes. All this information is correct. Then only project will be created. Yes. Next, first thing what you do is you add 17 Java version is coming. Nowadays, no need of changing Java version. In dependencies section, what section? There are two things: dependency management, dependencies. Go to dependency section. You add Spring Core module related main jar file. Where is that? mvnrepository.com. What .com, guys? mvnrepository.com. Where is this? mvnrepository.com. Click on search button. Say, sorry. What is the one? Spring context support. This is the main jar file. Here is my context support, guys. Here is what? 6.2.3. 6.2.3. Copy this. Where is this, my dear? Say paste. Save it. Both main and dependent jar files are added or not, guys? Both main and dependent jar files are added or not added, boss? So definitely added. Okay, that's great. This is my app.java. Right click, new package. What's the package, guys? com.nt. What is there? sbeans. com.nt.sbeans. Next package, com.nt.config. com.nt.config. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Super. com.nt.config. Say new class. Say new class. So here we go for dependent. I want engine vehicle. So I am better to make all engines extending from common interface. I mean, it's implementing common interface. I engine. What is this, guys? Why engine? Why does not Spring context support? Why we add manually? Or at least one jar you have to add, boss. One at least, because in Spring module nearly 100 plus jars are there. Out of 100, how does it knows which jars you want to use? Which module you are using, how does it knows? That clarity you have to give. You are expecting too much. Why you are expecting too much? Entire Spring module together, single jar means you have an expectation, right? But each module, multiple jars are there. Which modules we use in application development, we don't know, right? So that's why it's better to take what? You have to tell main jar file, boss, no doubt. Interface engine. Tell me. Public wide start engine. Public wide, what is there? Stop engine. Public wide start engine, stop engine. These two are the methods. I'm taking what there? Class. What's the first class? Petrol engine. What engine, guys? Petrol engine. Yes, guys. Public class petrol engine implements what is there? I engine. Implements I engine. Add unimplemented methods. Arey, concentrate, Babu, concentrate. At the rate component. What is the engine? P engine. What is there? P engine. Petrol engine. Tell me here. What is this? Sys trace. Okay. Zero param constructor. What param, guys? Zero param constructor. Here is what? Sys trace. Okay. What is there? Start engine. What is here, guys? Come on, everyone. Sys trace. Stop engine. Okay. Here method we say, here we write the message. Petrol engine started. What is there? Diesel engine started. Petrol engine started. Diesel engine started. Okay. Started or stopped? I think both places petrol only. Sorry, it's my mistake. Petrol engine is stopped. Petrol engine is started. Petrol engine is stopped. Convinced, guys? Come on, everyone. File save as. Tell me next one. Here is my DIESEL, diesel engine. Here is my what? Diesel engine. Here is my what, guys? Diesel engine. In this place, diesel engine. Okay. Here is what? Diesel engine zero param constructor. DIESEL, diesel engine. In this place, what is there? DIESEL, diesel engine is started. Okay. Here is what? Diesel engine stop engine. Diesel engine stopped. Everyone getting my point there, guys? In this place, what is there? Diesel engine is there. Perfect. File save as. File save as. Tell me, guys, what engine? What engine, guys? Okay. Electric engine, electric engine. Here is my what engine, guys? Electric engine. Electric engine. What is there? E engine. Oh, okay. Electric engine, zero param. Here also, what is there? Electric engine. Super, guys. Here also, what is there, guys? Electric engine. Here also, what is there, guys? Electric engine. Electric engine. In this place, what is there? Electric engine is stop. So we are ready with all three engines now, boss. Yeah. Now we have to develop a vehicle. We definitely need to develop vehicle or not, guys. New class. What is there? Vehicle. New class. What is there, guys? Vehicle. At the rate component. What is there? Vehicle. At the rate component vehicle. Okay, that's great. Followed by that, what is there? Private, private I engine. Private I engine. At the rate auto wide. Private I engine. At the rate auto wide is working over there or not there? Yeah, this is field injection, guys. Fast is constructor. Okay. Okay, now vehicle, here is my what, guys? Sys trace, what is there? Zero param constructor. To get the feeling, this is done. To get the feeling, this is done. Public string, what is there? Start journey. Otherwise, public wide only I'll take. VOID, wide. What is the method we got, guys? Journey method. Yeah. Tell me, guys. Okay. String start place. String dest place. Yeah, this is my business method or not, guys? This is my business method. Sys trace, guys. Simply what is there, guys? Sys trace. System dot out dot println. Vehicle. What is there? Vehicle. Vehicle colon what? Journey. Vehicle colon what? Journey. Yes, guys. Vehicle colon journey. Followed by this, what is there, guys? Followed by this, what is there? I want reply from you people. String start place, string destination place. Okay. Tell me here. First, engine dot start engine. Engine started means I can say journey started na, boss. Okay. Sys out. Journey started. What is there, guys? Journey started from. Can I say start place? Come on. Right. Okay. Now I'll say journey is going on. What is there? Journey is going on. That's great. Journey. Okay. Then, so engine dot, what is there? Stop engine. Engine dot stop engine. Copy this, paste it. Journey stopped at. What is there? Journey ended at. Here is my dest place or not, guys? Journey ended at destination place. Fine? Okay. So I'm just using injected engine in the business method or not, guys? Not one time, this time I'm using multiple time. The requirement is like that. Earlier, one time is enough. This time we need what? Multiple time. Easier, guys. Come on, everyone. Okay, that's good. So now, though it is user-defined classes, we need to mention package name in at the rate components can, boss. To do all these things, we need a configuration class, my dear. How does normal class become configuration class? By using at the rate configuration. Very simple annotations, ra. At the rate component to make user-defined Java class as Spring Bean. At the rate bean method to make predefined class as Spring Bean. At the rate auto void to inject one Spring Bean class object to another Spring Bean class object. Maybe through field injection, maybe through setter injection, maybe through what? Constructor injection, maybe through what? Arbitrary method injection. It can be through anything, right? It can be through anything. Are you getting my point there? Super, guys. Okay, tell me next one. Chikireddy, I am leaving the class now, sir. I am going to Tirupati to catch the train. Okay. I'm controlling my emotion now. Okay. Right. Okay. Let it be, boss. Let's come back to the subject now. Right click. Sometimes I feel whether I'm conducting classes to engineers. Okay. Mechanics. Okay. Behave like professional graduates, Ra Babu. You are going to Tirupati. This is none of my business, na? Right. Okay. Thanks. At least you have not informed. I'm going to washroom because it's urgent. Okay. It's in main package. No. We have to write this one in what? Config package. Say this. Yes. Okay. This is configuration class now, my dear. Okay. Now let's see what is there in that. At the rate configuration. What is there? At the rate configuration. At the rate configuration. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super. At the rate configuration. At the rate next one. At the rate component scan. Base packages is equal to com dot base packages is equal to com dot nt dot spins. Array, these names are not fixed, guys. Anything you can give. Are there any predefined classes to configure as Spring Beans? No. But I will write constructor to tell that this class object also create. Systrace, what is this? Zero param constructor. Systrace, what is there, guys? Zero param constructor. Convinced or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Super. This is my app config.java. What dot Java? Yes, okay. Now tell me now. Here, what is there? Yes means this is what? com.nt.main. Com.nt.main, guys. So let's see what we can do there, guys. Class strategy DP test. Strategy DP test finish. Strategy DP test finish, guys. Yes. Here is my what, my dear? Create IOC container. Create IOC container. Annotation config. Annotation config. Application context CTX is equal to new annotation config app config dot class. App config dot class. We are creating IOC container or not? Super. Get access to Spring Bean class object reference. Get access to Spring Bean class object reference. Okay. Which one? Target Spring Bean class object reference. Here, what is the target, guys? Vehicle. Vehicle is equal to CTX dot get bean. Where is that? Vehicle. What is there? Vehicle dot class. Okay, guys. Come on, everyone. Vehicle is equal to CTX dot get bean. Vehicle dot class. Invoke the business method. String message is equal to where is this? Vehicle dot journey. What is the start place, guys? Okay, Hyderabad. What is the destination place? Tirupati. Yes, array, no return type, guys. Vehicle dot journey, Hyderabad, comma, Tirupati. Are you getting my point there, guys? Super. Okay. Close the IOC container. Close the IOC. CTX dot close. CTX dot close. That's great. This is my strategy DP test or not, guys? This is my strategy DP test or not, guys? Come on, everyone. Super. Okay. This is my strategy DP test. Right click, run as, what is there? Java application. It's giving me no unique bean definition exception. Total, how many engines are there? 3. Okay, what is the has a property type? In vehicle class, what is the has a property type? In vehicle class, what is the has a property type? Come on. Engine. What is there? At the rate qualifier. At the rate qualifier. P engine. At the rate qualifier P engine. So I have chosen petrol engine, boss. Right? Okay. See, boss. First, all singleton scope swings will be pre-instantiated. Then don't think about target dependent there. Alphabetic order wise, they are pre-instantiated, right? Mostly. So since already instantiated, that time only injection takes place. If pre-instantiation is disabled, then you ask for target object. If it is field setter arbitrary method, first target, then dependent is created. If pre-instantiation is disabled. If pre-instantiation enabled, before you ask object only, injections are. So being class objects are happening as early instantiation process or pre-instantiation process, right? Okay. That's great, guys. Tell me. This is my strategy DP test, my dear. Definitely, this is going to be my strategy DP test or not, guys? Okay, that's great, guys. Tell me here. Strategy DP test, guys. Right click. This is what? Java application. Still error. Acha, I have explained the solution, but not applied the solution. I have explained. Our solution is applied, but still error. 1 minute. I think in all places, same bean ID is there, it seems. Diesel engine, E engine. D engine. Petrol engine, P engine. P engine. Acha. P in ENGG. In vehicle, what I have written? Acha. Okay, P engine. Yeah, wrong bean ID is given. Wrong bean ID is given. That's great, guys. Strategy DP test, guys, run as what is there? Java application. Here we are simply getting the things over there are not there. Vehicle journey, petrol engine started Hyderabad, going on. Petrol engine stopped. Journey ended at Tirupati or not? So first vehicle class, okay, before that also some objects are there. So they are coming because of pre-instantiation. Don't think that first. Mostly this is going by alphabetic order. Check it out. Pre-instantiation of singleton scope spring beans is happening in what? Alphabetic order or not, guys? The pre-instantiation of singleton scope spring beans takes place in alphabetic order, right? Okay. The pre-instantiation of array index out of bounds exception of index 0 out of bounds for length 0 while irritating while iterating through loop you have given started with a 0 but equal to symbol used I less than some equal to so extra you are not processing array properly. Check it out. The pre-instantiation of singleton scope spring beans takes place. Okay, guys. Singleton scope spring beans takes place in the order, alphabets are there. In the order, the alpha, in the order, the alphabets of class names are placed. In the order, the alphabets of class names are placed. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Come on. Super, guys. Yeah, this is the another assignment that I am giving to you. Student is the target. I course material, Java material, here is what? .NET material. What material, guys? .NET. Here is my .NET material. Tell me. Python material. These are there or not there, guys? These are the various things that are there, my dear. Come on. Super. Okay. These are the various things that are there or not there, guys. Come on. Super. Okay. Close all editors. Strategy DP test, app config.java. These are the various engines that we are having or not, my dear. That's great. Okay. Sir, for injection, we are using at the rate auto void. How are you performing dependency lookup in Spring application? In every client application main class, main method, we are calling ctx.getBean with bean ID. It takes the bean ID, goes to internal cache of IOC container, searches whether object is there or not there. If there, it collecting the object. That means it is indirectly searching and gathering object or not, guys. Using at the rate auto void, you are performing dependency injection. that can be used for field injection, setter injection, constructor injection, arbitrary method injection also. What method, guys? Arbitrary method injection also. What do you say, guys? It can be used for all kinds of injections or not, guys? Definitely it can be used for all kinds of injections or not, my dear. Okay, that's not a big deal, guys. Okay. But how we are performing dependency lookup? Okay, note. The way we are using at the rate auto wide annotation at various levels, like at various levels. What is that? Field or setter or arbitrary. Field or setter or arbitrary or constructor is called, what is this, guys? Okay, is called dependency injection. What, guys? Dependency injection. Say note. The way we are using CTX dot get bean method call. What method call? CTX dot get bean method call. What method call, guys? CTX dot get bean method call. Okay, in client applications. Okay, nothing but main method. To search and get. To search and get the given bean ID base. Spring bean class object reference. Yeah, it's we are searching and getting, na. So far I have highlighted injection, but unknowingly in every application, what? In every application, dependency lookup is also there. Are you noticing it? See, already beans are there. We are passing bean ID, taking bean ID. It is searching in the internal cache, getting the object. If not there, it is creating and giving object. But somehow it is what? Searching and getting object from different places of the container or not, guys? Searching and getting lookup. Container dynamically pushing one object to another object is what? Dependency injection. Is called dependency injection. The given bean ID based Spring Bean class object reference is called, what is there? Dependency lookup operation. What operation, guys? Dependency lookup operation. This is what we need to focus, guys. Come on, everyone. Yeah, this is injection. This is lookup. This is injection. This is what? Lookup. Done. Yes. Where is this? Right. File. Where is that? 7 a.m. Can we upload the materials, guys? What's your batch code? 5:30 p.m. Actually, they kept to 5:30, but it's actually 5 only. 5:30 p.m.